To solve this problem, first we substitute expression in parentheses by u. So let me write this. We have u is equal 5x cubed plus 2. Now we have to find derivative of both sides with respect to x. We have du to dx is equal, derivative of 5x cubed is 15x squared, and derivative of constant is 0, we don't have to write. Next, we have to multiply both sides by dx because we need to find du because we do u substitution. Dx and dx we can reduce and we have du is equal 15x squared dx. Now, let me rewrite first our indefinite integral. Because we have multiplication and we have constant number, I can take this constant before indefinite integral symbol. So it will be 5 times indefinite integral of, and I can put first cotangent of 5x cubed plus 2 times, we have x squared dx. We see that when we substitute 5x cubed plus 2 by u, we will have here only x squared dx because we cannot mix up x and u in one expression. So we need to substitute x squared dx. We found that du is equal 15 times x squared dx. We don't need this 15 because we have multiplication. I will divide both sides by 15 and we have 15 and 15 we can reduce. We have x squared dx is equal 1 over 15 du. Now we can do substitution. We have to rewrite 5 and we have indefinite integral of cotangent of u, and x squared dx is 1 over 15. I can put in parentheses du. This is equal, because we have multiplication, I can take this constant before indefinite integral symbol. So we will have 5 times 1 over 15 and indefinite integral of cotangent u with respect to u. We know that indefinite integral of cotangent of u with respect to u is equal natural logarithm of absolute value of sine of u. Of course, plus constant because we have indefinite integral. Now, we can rewrite 5 and 15 we can reduce. It will be 3. So we have 1 over 3 times natural logarithm of sine, absolute value of sine of u, plus constant. When we multiply 1/3 by constant, we still have a constant, so I can like plus c. And now we have to come back to our substitution. U is equal 5x cubed plus 2. So this is equal, we have 1 over 3 natural logarithm of absolute value of sine of 3x. So this is 5x cubed plus 2, close absolute values bar, plus constant. This is my solution.